Is data science a really good career? In this video, you would understand its importance, need and opportunities. Hello friends, welcome to Technology Crash. With the increase of data everywhere, it becomes a great headache to handle it. Although, you need to elicit important ideas and get some useful information from this large data. In these past 2 decades, data increases blindly. You all familiar with social media, which is Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp and much more. In these platforms, you send some data to your friends and family. It generates a lot of data when around 4 billion people engaged with one another. To handle this big data, we need data science. Now, what is data science? Data science is to analyze a large data to get some useful information for the betterment of specified company. For example, we all familiar with the Amazon. They are selling millions of products on daily basis. These products might have good reviews or bad reviews as well. But how can Amazon handle it? To handle this, a data analyst get all the data of products, analyze it, and find out which product has good reviews and which are bad. This will help you out Amazon to sell that product which liked most and remove that product which is resulting for bad image of company. So, we can say, data science is a science which deals with data analysis to get a better marketing approach. I hope you got my point. Now, with the increase of data, opportunities for the data scientists increasing too. The main reason is, everyone wants a good business. So, to make business good, they have to hire professionals who can understand the business problems well and analyze it perfectly. That's all for the today. Please keep subscribing my channel for more updates. Thank you.